Hello, good evening. I have heard that most of the teachers are facing some problem in taking Zoom meetings. So on request, I am making this video for YouTube channel Saxena Classes. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe the channel M Saxena Classes. I also have another channel which is Travel with Sanjay. So if you are interested in traveling, so go there and watch the channel Travel with Sanjay SANJI, and please do like, share and subscribe. So let us start the video. Watch the video till the end, and I hope that you will not have any problem after watching this video carefully. So follow the instructions which I tell in this video before taking Zoom meeting and during the Zoom meet. So let us start the video. First you go to your screen and start a Zoom meeting. Here you can see the Zoom icon on the right of the second upper layer. So I will start a Zoom meeting here. Your internet should be on. Now you have to create a new meeting. So here you will create a new meeting. Keep the video on and your personal meeting ID, that is PMI, on, and start a meeting. I will touch a start a meeting, then meeting will be created. Okay. Now it will start connecting. Now I will off the video. When the meeting will start, this is an instant meeting. If you want to create a scheduled meeting, then the procedure is different. So I will tell you the scheduled meeting also. So here I am ending this. By touching this end, we will end. Now if you want to schedule a meeting, go back and touch the schedule button. Now this is your topic, that what is the name of the meeting. Suppose you are taking a geography class of class 12, so then write the geography class 12. Okay, and set the meeting details here, like date, from, time, to which time, as well as the time zone in UTC plus 0530, that is our Indian Standard Time. Then repeat never, use personal meeting ID on, use this is your password, and then touch the done which is on the top right corner. Touch the done button, then meeting will be scheduled. These options will come. You can send the meeting code by Gmail, mail or Yahoo Mail, but don't go by this. Just touch anywhere on the screen and then touch add invitees. After touching add invitees, copy to clipboard which is on the extreme below, and after copying it, you can go to the home screen and through WhatsApp you can send it to anyone. Now I am going to start this meeting. In the schedule meeting, you can schedule the time and everything also. So now I have closed the camera. After this, now go to the setting options. First you have to mute all the participants. So in the bottom you can see 5 buttons there: mute, start video, share, participants and more. So go on the participants. After going there, just touch the mute all button which is on the just before the below right corner. Mute all. When you will touch mute all, here it will come this pop-up. Now in this pop-up, here it is a blue circle which is ticked inside, means you are allowing the participants to unmute them. So off this. Now the participants cannot unmute them. And now mute all. Touch the mute all button. Now all participants who will join your meeting, they cannot open their mics by themselves. Only you can open the mics of them. Now go to the close. Again, go to the share button. Suppose you want to share something. So I will take the example of whiteboard. So go to the share whiteboard which is on the last, which is the last option.
in this list. So share whiteboard. Now in this whiteboard, you can take a pen and write anything. Okay. Now you don't want any participant, any student, that he can write anything on this whiteboard and you want to stop them. So on this button, just touch the more button which is on the extreme right or in the bottom. Just touch the more button. Here you will see the third option is meeting setting. Now go to the meeting setting. Here you will see in your mobiles, you will see that here it will be written everyone. Now change the setting, go to host only. This is one time setting. If you set once in your mobile set, then it will remain for all the meetings till you don't change it. But the second setting is, now this is annotation. Now annotation, you can see here content share annotate. So annotate is here and show names of annotate. If you will keep this on and you want to see that who is doing this nonsense or writing anything on your screen or PDF, then just open it. When any student will do any nonsense or write anything on the screen or scratch anything, any line, then his name will also come. But students are very clever. They can join the meeting by some other names also. So you will catch them. So, and waste the time also. So to stop this annotation that no student can do any nonsense or can any write anything on the screen, just switch off these both, annotate and show the names of annotate. Just switch off this and again go back by touching the close button which is on the top left corner, close. Now you can write anything. Now you can write by touching the pen. You can write anything, but no student can write anything. Okay, so this is the main settings. I think this is very much about the meetings. If you have any doubt or any problem, then you can ask me and I will try to solve your issues. Okay, then goodbye, see you.
So friends, if you like this video, then please subscribe the channel M Saxena Classes for the tutorial classes of social studies, EVS and geography of NCERT books of CBSE syllabus, as well as if you are interested in traveling, then please join the channel Travel with Sanjay by subscribing the channel Travel with Sanjay. Thanks for watching. See you very soon. Goodbye.